we have to study standard 5th math. Okay, in that standard 5th math, we can study chapter first, the fish tail. Okay, at previous lecture we discussed about different sea animals. Okay, and how to draw different sea animals by using different shapes, means triangle, square, rectangle. Okay, etc. Okay, so today we can go next page. All students open page number 6. Okay, I can read carefully. I can read. You can listen carefully. Okay, listen. Open page number 6. Okay, start. I can start. Imagine that there are fishermen in their boats going up and down with their waves. They start their trip when it is still dark. Some go on a simple boat made from the logs of wood tied together. If the sea is rough with the very high tides and strong wind, then these fishermen have a difficult time. These log boats do not go very far. If the wind is helpful, they travel about 4 kilometers in 1 hour. They can travel when the air is helpful. They travel about 4 kilometers in 1 hour. In 1 hour, they can travel 4 kilometers. They can travel 4 kilometers. Okay. See next question. How long will they take to go a distance of 10 kilometers? When they can travel 10 kilometers, how much time they can need? See, in 1 hour they can go 4 kilometers. Okay. So tell me, therefore, in 2 hours is equals to how many kilometers they can go? 8 kilometers. Correct. In 1 hour they can go 4 kilometers. So in 2 hours, 8 kilometers. 3 hours, 12 kilometers. Okay. You can find this answer orally, but how to calculate this? See, 2 hours means 2 multiplied by 4. 2 multiplied by 4 means 8 kilometers. But they can travel 8 kilometers, and we have to find the time for 10 kilometers. So here only 2 kilometers are remaining. Only 2 kilometers are remaining. But 1 hour is equals to 4 kilometers. So we cannot write here 1 kilometer. So 4. Okay, we can make half. Half of 4 means 2. And here also we can make half. Half of 1 hour means half hour. So half hour. Half hour is equals to how many kilometers? 1 hour is equals to 4 kilometers. Means half hour is equals to 1 upon 2 is called as half. You know. Okay, in 4th standard we also studied this. 1 upon 2 means half. Okay, in 1 hour is equals to 4 kilometers. So half hour is equals to 2 kilometers. Okay, this answer we can find orally, but in calculation how to find? We can divide this 4 by 2. 4 divided by 2. This division you can do with rough and right answer. What is the answer? I will write here 2 kilometers. Means for 2 kilometers they can need half hour. Okay, and 8 kilometers 2 hours. Means for 10 kilometers, hence for 10 kilometers, how much time they can need? See, this 2 kilometers and this half means 2 hours and half hour. Means 2 and half hour. All of you understood? Once again I can repeat. 1 hour is equals to 4 kilometers. So 2 kilometers is equals to 8 kilometers. Okay. So half hour is equals to 2 kilometers. Why? Because 1 hour is equal to 2 means half hour is equals to 2 kilometers. Okay, we can find for 10 kilometers. We can find for 10. So 10 for 10 kilometers, how much time they can need? For 2 hours means 8 kilometers. This 8 kilometers and this half kilometers, this 2. 8 plus 2, 10 kilometers. We can add these 2. 8 plus 2 means 10 kilometers. Okay, so 2 hours is half hour, means 2 and half hour. All of you understood this? Okay. See next one. Next question, guess how far can you go in 1 hour if you walk fast. When you walk fast, how far you go in 1 hour? Okay, in 1 hour, 1 hour we can go 4 or 5 kilometers. Okay, in 1 hour you can go 4 or 5 kilometers when you walk fast. Okay. Next page, page number 7. I can read. Listen carefully. Fishermen can feel the wind and look at the sun to find out which way to go. Many of us would get lost and not be able to find our way on the sea where you only see water and nothing else. Find out. Look at the sun and find out the direction from where it rises. Okay? See, they can give us 2 questions. I can read that question. From where you are, what interesting thing do you see to your east? In the morning, okay, outside east you can see, and what happens you can tell me. Okay, what happens? The sun rises. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. And when sun rises, what is the color of sun? Red, orange and red. When that start rising, the color of sun is orange and red. Okay. Next question. Name 2 things that are lying to your west. East or west, you know. This is your east and this is your west. Okay. When sun rises from the east, then sun setting in the west. Correct na? Sun rises from east and setting from west. Okay. So I see the setting sun in the west, and when sun setting, the sky is look like orange or red. Okay. In the evening, correct. And sun rises in morning and setting in evening, correct. See next passage. Out of the sea, fishermen looked for a place where they hope to find a good catch of fish. There they spread their nets. They will have to wait for many hours for the fish to come into their nets. Look at the different types of boats. Some boats have motors and go further into the sea. Since they go far out, they can catch more fishes. These boats travel faster as compared to that local boats. Okay, log boats. At the speed of about 20 kilometers in 1 hour. That motor boats. What is the speed of motor boat? 20 kilometers per hour. Means in 1 hour they can travel 20 kilometers. Okay. And our local boats, log boats, they can travel in 1 hour. They can travel only 4 kilometers when the wind is helpful. Okay. Otherwise they cannot travel 4 kilometers. Okay. Next, they can use us here one question. First of all, I can write the speed. See, I can read questions. How far would the motor boats go in 3.5 hours? What is the speed of motorboat? They can use here. In 1 hour, they can travel 20 kilometers. I can write like this. See, 1 hour. In 1 hour, they can travel 20 kilometers. Okay, this is the speed of motorboat. This is the speed of motorboat. Okay, and they can ask one question here. See, how far they would the motorboat go in 3.5 hours? In 3.5 hours. In 1 hour they can travel 20 kilometers, and they can ask for 3.5 hours. Okay. See. So you can tell me in 2 hours how much kilometers they can travel? Correct. In 1 hour they can travel 20 kilometers. So in 2 hours they can travel 40 kilometers. Okay. By calculation, how to find? In previous example we discussed. So 2 multiplied by 20 is 40 kilometers. Okay. Also for 3 hours. 3 hours, how much kilometer they can travel? Simple. You can multiply 3 multiplied by 20. Why you have to multiply by 20? Because that is speed for 1 hour. 1 hour they can travel 20 kilometers. Okay. And here we have to find for 3 hours. So we can multiply 3 and 20. Understand? 3 multiplied by 20. How to do this? Simple. 3. Only you have to multiply these two numbers. 3 and 2. 3 2s are 6, and write this 0 here. Means 60 kilometers. That is your multiplication. Means in 3 hours they can travel 60 kilometers. Understand? Only we can find for half hour. Okay. See here. 1 hour they can travel 20 kilometers. So in half hour, how much they can travel? How to find this? Correct. How to find? By dividing this number by 2. 20 divided by 2. 1. We have to make that half of that 20. Okay. Here we can make half of 1 hour. Okay. Here we have to write half hour. Okay. Half hour means 1 hour. So we can make half of 20 kilometers. So we can divide this 20 by 2. 20 divided by 2. Okay. This division you can do in your rough book. Okay. And write answer here. What is the answer? Simple. You can do this. Half of 20 means 10 kilometers. Half of 20 means 10 kilometers. So see, they can ask for 3.5 hours. Hence, in 3.5 hours, they can travel how much distance? See, 3 hours they can travel 60 kilometers. So I will write here 60 plus in half hour they can travel 10 kilometers. So I will write here 10. Why we have to write? See once again. They can ask 3.5 hours. See this 3 hours and this half hour. So we can add these two. Okay, see 3.5 hours I will write here, and here we can add 60 and 10. 60 and 10 means 70 kilometers. Means what? How far would the motorboats go in 3.5 hours? Our answer is 70 kilometers. Okay? In 3.5 hours they can travel 70 kilometers. All of you understood? Okay, see. Last question. We can discuss how much time will they take to go 85 kilometers. See. Our last question. How much time will they take to go 85 kilometers? See, what is the speed? The speed is same. Okay. What is the speed? In 1 hour they can travel 20 kilometers. They can travel 20 kilometers. Okay. We can find for 85 kilometers. We can find for 85 kilometers. How much time we can need for 85 kilometers? Okay. How to find this? See, this is different example. Okay. How to find? See this. See this, the total time taken to travel 85 kilometers. We have to find. So how to find this? See, we can divide this 85 by 20. Okay. What we do? We have to divide this 85 by 20. Why 20? Because the 20 is the speed for 1 hour. Okay. So for 85 kilometers, how much time? Okay, we have to find. How much time they can need, we have to find. So we can divide this 85 by 20. I can show here this division. See, you know the 20s table. Okay, we can say that we can solve this directly. 20 was the 20, 22 the 40, 23 the 60, 24 the 80, 24 the 80. Correct. 24 is 80. Do subtraction. 5 0 means this is your reminder. Okay, and this is your answer. Okay. See, this 5 kilometer is remaining. Okay, 5 is remaining. And 4 you can here. See, means 5 is reminder. So see in that. 85 kilometers means for 80 kilometers. See, for 80 kilometers they can need 4 hours. For 80 kilometers they can need 4 hours. Means in 4 hours they can travel 80 kilometers. But only here remaining 5 kilometers. Okay. So for that 5 kilometers, how much time they can need, that we can find. Understand? So how to find that? See. So here answer is 4 hours. Here the answer is 4 hours, and here 5 is reminder. So that for 5 kilometers, is reminder. So for that 5 kilometers, what time they can need, we can find. So we can divide this 5 by 20. Means, see this, arrange like this, 5 divided by 20. This is also division, you know. Okay, in first standard we also studied 5 divided by 20. How to solve this? See, 5 ones are 5 and 5 fours are 20. See, once again I can tell you, 5 ones are 5 and 5 fours are 20. Means 1 upon 4 hour. 1 upon 4 hour. Means for that 5 kilometers they can need 1 upon 4 hour. Means 15 minutes. 1 upon 4 hour means 15 minutes. You know. Okay. See, once again I can tell you, 1 half hour means 30 minutes. Okay. 1 upon 4 hour means 15 minutes. And 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4 means 45 minutes. Means for that 5 kilometers we can need 1 upon 4 hour. Means 15 minutes. Understand? Means for that 85 kilometers they can need this 4 hours and this 15 minutes. Okay. So at last right answer is for 85 kilometers what time they can need? They need 4 hours and 15 minutes. Understand? For that 80 kilometers they can need 4 hours, and for that 5 kilometers they can need 1 upon 4 means 15 minutes. Means for that 85 kilometers they can need 4 hours and 15 minutes. All of you understood this example? Okay, these all examples you can write in your notebook. Okay, thank you students.